it's Pam with Organizer AZ911 here with another episode of my FAB or FLOP series where I scour the internet looking for various hacks to put to the test to see if they're truly a fabulous idea or a flop of an idea. And in this episode, I'm going to kind of continue on with the previous episode that I uploaded a couple weeks ago. And I'll put the link right up there in the corner so you can go back and check that out. Because in that video I made some mistakes that made the hack not turn out. So I'm going to do a retry on that. And this particular gift idea or gift hack basically uses some very simple, inexpensive products to create a puzzle-like photo gift that you can give someone. And you basically use wood blocks. Now in the original video that I saw online, I will put the link below, so go and check that out. They used smaller blocks than I'm going to use. These are 2-inch blocks that I'm going to be using, and in the video, the original video, it appears they used smaller blocks and they used something like 16 of them. I can't remember exactly how many, but anyway, on this one I'm using 9 of these 2-inch blocks to create, let's see if I can get this, a little block square like that, okay? And what you basically do is you take your favorite photos, okay, and you use a little Mod Podge. You spread the Mod Podge on the back of the photo and then just simply stick it to the blocks, okay? Once the glue dries, you take your X-Acto knife and cut along, let's see if I can do this, sorry, I'm trying to put it in the frame. You simply cut along the block lines and then it becomes like a little puzzle with your photo on it. Now in the original video they only put one photo on and they painted all the rest of these sides. But what I wanted to do and what I tried doing in the previous video was to put photos. I have 6 photos for all sides of these blocks, so you can change it out how you would like. And because I did it incorrectly the first time, the pictures got all torn and messed up. So I'm going to try to do it almost exactly as they did it in the original video. Again, the link is below, check it out. To see how it would come out doing all 6 sides of a puzzle to give as a gift. Okay, so again, all of the supplies you need are your wooden blocks, like I showed you, the Mod Podge, an X-Acto knife or some kind of razor blade, and some of these sponge brushes. Okay, and then maybe a little bit of 220 sandpaper. All right, so those are basically the only supplies you need. So let's get started. Okay, so there you have it. This time it did come out better. I will tell you that please go and check out the link below to HGTV's Facebook post that showed this. I do think it works best and it is a fabulous idea if you do it just on one side, just like they showed it, and paint the rest of the sides. That way it'll turn out perfect. By adding photos to all sides like I did, it tended to, I did still have some of the problems I had with my last attempt at this. However, it wasn't as severe, and like I said, just some of the edges are a little rough. So again, that would be your choice, whether you want to fight with it or not. Plus, it did take a long time waiting for everything to dry and stick and cut it out and sand it and everything like that. So again, I encourage you to go to the link below to HGTV's Facebook post that showed this great gift hack. You just need to get wooden blocks from any craft store. These are 2x2s. The ones that they showed in the HGTV, they were smaller and they used 16. I only used 9 in this. When you're printing your photos out, you don't need to use photo paper. You just use regular old printer paper. Again, the craft store told me to use Mod Podge. They said they have an instructor who has shown done many classes on this exact project, and they use Mod Podge. Now, I noticed in the HGTV Facebook post that they said decoupage. I don't know if there's a difference. But anyway, it turned out really nicely. All the sides are pretty good. I can't wait to give this to my parents, give it back to them. They know they're getting it. I showed them the not so good first version. And I definitely encourage you, you got Valentine's Day coming up. Take a photo of the one you love and put a little heart like they show in the video from HGTV. It would make a wonderful Valentine's Day gift. Okay, so I give this a big old thumbs up. Fab idea from HGTV. I hope you enjoyed this episode of my Fab or Flop series. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Poke that subscribe button as well. And ring the bell so that you'll know every time I upload a new Fab or Flop episode. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. I'll see you next time.